I attended this symposium because first I was invited by Tony, and he said, well, you create solutions that are meaningful and that have a direct impact in the educational landscape. So that was what, and also the fact that there were some partners here as well that we currently work with, Arizona State University specifically. I said it's a good time to meet them and to advance with different, networking and other tasks that we thought that could be interesting, and this seemed like the right place to be. Yeah, I'm very excited about meeting people that have tried to solve the problem of enabling access to educational technologies in low-resource environments. I'm trying to understand what they have tried to do, what worked, what didn't work, and how what we built at Beekee is something that could be expanded and we could learn from each other as well. So that kind of sharing and that possibility of understanding how they've tackled the problem and how they've managed to solve it or not, and how we could understand what went well and what didn't to create a better solution for all partners and customers. So one of the things we encourage a lot to think of when we see the use of educational technologies is to go beyond the content consumption paradigm. That means just enabling access to libraries. In our opinion, it's not enough. Libraries of content. I mean, it's important, but it's not the only thing. So in our approach, and this could be used in STEM areas and any other aspect, is basically the ability of not only putting contents, but also tools to make the most out of those contents. So we have, for instance, integrated open source clones of tools such as Kahoot, Mentimeter, Padlet, that they also enrich the learning journey. Not just saying here's some videos and go watch these videos, but also like there's someone, a facilitator that could make the most out of some content via some tools as well and methods that he could or she could put in place thanks to that kind of comprehensive platform that we're trying to build. So that when you're talking about STEM, you want to make learners also active and actually cooperate. And that is, I think, something that we are doing, and we're doing quite well. Yeah, well, we're working on something that is very complicated right now to achieve because we all heard about AI and how it's shifting very rapidly the educational landscape, but typically the kind of environments we're operating on, there is not even internet. There is no internet. So how to think about using AI in places where you cannot have nor the funds to pay for an advanced premium model, nor the internet to actually use it. So what we're doing, and this is a work in the frame of AI for Education.org, we're trying and we're actually defining some relevant use case for offline AI that can run completely embedded on the devices, actually, that could actually help them to teachers to actually alleviate some bottlenecks, and that's a new area of work that we're starting to work on. So yeah, I'm pretty pumped about this, and I think it will provide a way of leveling out the field for people without internet access in the world.